When it comes to making your home more energy efficient, many homeowners focus on insulation, heating, and cooling systems. However, one area often overlooked is the importance of quality window installation. In Houston, where the weather can range from sweltering summers to chilly winters, proper window installation is crucial for maintaining an energy-efficient home. Here's why investing in high-quality window installation can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and savings on energy bills. Reducing heat gain and loss. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat enters and escapes your home. During Houston's hot summers, poor window installation can lead to significant heat gain from the outside, which forces your air conditioning system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This can increase your energy bills and strain your cooling system. On the flip side, during cooler months, improperly sealed windows can allow warm air to escape, making it harder to keep your home warm. Quality window installation ensures that windows are correctly fitted and sealed, minimizing heat transfer. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. Energy-efficient window option. Not all windows are created equal. When opting for quality window installation in Houston, you can choose from energy-efficient window models that are designed to minimize heat loss and gain. Double-glazed windows, for example, have an insulating layer of air or gas between two panes of glass, significantly improving the window's thermal resistance. This added insulation helps maintain a more stable indoor temperature, regardless of the season. Many modern windows are also equipped with low emissivity, low E, coatings that reflect heat back into the room during the winter and keep the heat outside in the summer. These energy-efficient windows are particularly beneficial in Houston's fluctuating climate, where temperature extremes can place additional strain on your HVAC system. Proper sealing and installation prevents drafts. Even the best windows can fall short of their energy-efficient potential if not installed properly. Gaps, cracks, or improper sealing during installation can lead to drafts that let cold or warm air in and out. This can make it more difficult for your home to maintain a consistent temperature and force your HVAC system to work harder to keep up. By choosing a professional window installation service, you ensure that your windows are properly sealed, eliminating drafts and reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. This, in turn, helps you save energy and money while improving the comfort level inside your home. Improved home comfort. One of the main reasons homeowners opt for window replacements and quality window installation is to enhance overall home comfort. Proper window installation helps eliminate temperature inconsistencies that can occur in rooms near drafty windows. Instead of constantly adjusting the thermostat, you can enjoy a more stable and comfortable indoor environment. Quality windows also help with noise reduction, which is particularly important if your home is near a busy street or noisy neighborhood. By reducing outside noise, you can create a quieter and more peaceful atmosphere inside your home. Long-term savings on utility bills. While quality window installation can be an upfront investment, it pays off in the long run. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you'll notice a reduction in your monthly utility bills. Energy-efficient windows and proper installation can help you save a significant amount on heating and cooling costs, especially in a climate like Houston's, where both summer and winter months require substantial energy use. Over time, the savings on your utility bills can offset the cost of the new windows and installation. Furthermore, many energy-efficient windows come with warranties, providing additional peace of mind and ensuring that your investment continues to pay off for years to come. Environmental benefits. In addition to the financial benefits, energy-efficient windows contribute to a more sustainable environment. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your home, you are decreasing your household's carbon footprint. This is especially important in today's world, where energy conservation and environmental responsibility are more important than ever. Installing high-quality windows helps reduce your reliance on non-renewable energy sources, which contributes to a cleaner and greener planet. Conclusion. Investing in quality window installation in Houston is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. Not only does it reduce energy consumption, lower utility bills, and enhance your home's comfort, but it also contributes to a more sustainable future. If you're considering window replacements or installations, choosing the right windows and working with experienced professionals ensures that your home remains energy efficient, cozy, and cost-effective for years to come.